This is a demonstration of Task Factory. In this video, I will demonstrate the XML transform. The XML transform will take data from any source and generate XML data while referencing a corresponding XSD file. In this example, I have 3 tables that I'm using as a source. Open the XML transform, and first you must choose an XSD file. I'm just using tables from the AdventureWorks sample databases, so I have the XSD file for that. Now on the left side, click on Map Inputs. In this window, you can set up the relationship between parent and child inputs. Choose input 0 as my parent and input 1 as a child. Remember, when using this transform, you must have a top level or a parent element, and you can only have one top level element. Below that, you can map the fields that are used for that reference between the parent and the child. Now click Map Elements. This is where you can define your parent and child elements. In this example, my parent or top level element is the sales order header. And below, my salesperson is going to be the child element. Then use the data column to map fields from the source to the corresponding field in the XSD file. Also keep in mind that fields from a child cannot be used in a parent element, and fields from a child element cannot be used in one of its peer elements. After configuring the transform, I'm sending it to a flat file destination. Keep in mind with the flat file destination, you must send this information to an XML file, and make sure that Unicode is checked. Also take note that there is no text qualifier being used. The end result is all of the data in an XML format. This is just one of the many features of Task Factory.